Alright guys, we're back again. Shaq Talk Stocks, another day, another video. First off, before we get started, like the video, comment, subscribe. Every day is a new video, every day is different. But let's get right into it. So Bitcoin passed what I said 1200 like 2 days ago. Now it's at 1300. Now 13,000, sorry. So you're just gonna go over some Bitcoin news today real quick just to see what's pushing Bitcoin. Like I said last time that we checked it out, it was PayPal buying into Bitcoin, and we all made some money because it jumped from I think 10,000 or 11,000 to 12,000. So up 2 grand. But also, is there a coming correction? So we gotta look into all that kind of stuff. So let's get into some news, man. So let's get into the first article. So Bitcoin broke to 12K is huge, but expect higher prices before 2021. I really want to know where Bitcoin is going. Can it go to 20,000? Leave in the comments below right now. Let me know what you think. So Bitcoin prices may now seem sideways action for a few months after breaking through a crucial multi-year resistance of 12,000. So the previous week has been a tremendous one for Bitcoin investors as the price broke the crucial barrier of 12,000 in a surge from 11,000. Okay, so it was at 11 to 13,000, a rally of 2 grand within a week. So a new yearly high was printed while the dollar has been showing weakness as well. The dollar about to collapse, bro. I'm telling y'all, after this election, we might be in for a roller coaster. Hold on to your seats. Next to that, multiple listing companies came along with statements regarding allocations of Bitcoin rather than the US dollar. Yeah, once I saw PayPal do that, bro, a major company like PayPal for sending money, it just made me buy more Ripple and more fractions of a Bitcoin. So as Bitcoin's weekly charts show, the 11,600 to 12,000 area was a crucial area to break for any bullish continuation. The resistance area has been persistent since the start of the bear market at the beginning of 2018. I remember Bitcoin actually jumped when Nipsey Hussle died, which was kind of crazy. For 30 months, the price of Bitcoin couldn't break through the resistance zone until the previous week. The beginning of the bull market is often flagged by beautiful support as resistance test to continuation, which is also seen at 10,000 level. The 10,000 level got a greater retest and held, which marked a new support zone. So as the 11,000 to 12,000 broke upward, some interesting levels can be determined for traders to watch in the upcoming weeks. Often, buying after such a big rally isn't the best strategy since the retest of lower levels is likely. See, that's what we're talking about. A recorrection might be coming, so don't get too hyped, guys. It's just like the stock market. A lot of stuff may get inflated, the valuation may go up, but then there's a drop. Remember, we have seen Bitcoin go, I think the highest was what, 19,000, and it dropped back down. So don't get too hyped. Just follow the market. If you're a trader, this is the perfect time for you to just ride the market up and get off when you think it might drop because it's coming. We already know that it's coming, but we enjoying it right now. But I want to get into more deep into the PayPal news. Also, go check out how the Gap is closing 350 stores, and you might no longer see them in malls near you. You know, the Gap was like a staple. Old Navy, the Gap, these were companies that you go to the mall, you're gonna see them. They're staples in the community, right? Well, they're closing 350 stores, so check that out. Google that. Let me know if you want to see a video on that. So PayPal Bitcoin strategy is not about Bitcoin. Given that the people who are the greatest supporter of Bitcoin often talk about its key characteristics being that it's person-to-person, peer-to-peer, uncensorable value transfer, you do have to wonder who will be using the new PayPal services that allows them to pay merchants using cryptocurrency. My guess, and it's only a guess, is the answer will be approximately nobody. This is because, broadly speaking, nobody does. They got a point. It's still new. Remember, we don't forget that it's still new. It's very, very new. This is a very new space. So it's very tricky. So PayPal just gave 346 million people a new way to buy Bitcoin. That was the major news that caused Bitcoin to jump. See, you got a little cartoon. I swear you have Bitcoin by midnight. I just can't remember my PayPal password. That's true. Yeah, I forget my PayPal. I'm locked out of PayPal almost every week, man. and you can't get on the phone with them. That's another thing PayPal needs to improve is their contact service.